Hello, this is the Welding Documentary, and here we are at the college welding bay. These here to protect the laser light getting out to any sparks. Because what comes out of the welder here, now this is how it works. It comes out like that. But as soon as it goes onto metal, then it welds that line there. Won't touch it because it's just smear scrap to test if it works. Don't touch it because of that. He's all tooled up, he's got his suit on, he's got his gloves, and his mask just to prevent the light going in, so you won't see it. You can see the light, but it won't be as strong, but you can see it from there, so don't look for the extra, right? Don't look from there.
That's right up to it.
And this is the welding machine here. These gears alter the voltage of the machine, and this is what it looks like inside the machine. That is the metal that goes in there. And this is the gas there, to alter the gas level you use so we get the best quality welding to get all the fumes out there. And now we are going to show you the first weld. Now we're going to get rid of a bit of stuff here. What the hell? What the hell?
Oh.
What?
Not that thing.
The light. You said you wouldn't, and you did. You did exactly what you weren't supposed to do.
I can't help it. It's so...
Oh no, wait, just stand up for this. Yeah. Have you ready?
Yeah. Okay.
Are they comfortable standing up? Okay. I'm only guessing that I like to block myself. Swear on the air, I'll have to block it off. Oh, you have to do it like that again, don't you? Okay, now this time I hope to do it, okay? This is dangerous for the camera, I think, so I'm only going to do this once, okay? Ready? 5.
That's you!
What the hell? Right again. Oh dear, don't fall, and it's gone off the angle a bit. Oh well, carry it on, okay? That's nice and right for you, isn't it, kiddies? Okay. Ouch! That got me at the back of the neck. Ow. Oh. Right, somewhere there. Where? Ow. Oh, did you find it first?
Yeah, I do. Don't worry, I got myself off the arm.
Oh. try not to get my neck burnt, but I can't help it. The sparks fly. Okay, alright. Oh, spark went in my helmet then. What is with this thing? Right.
Oh.
You get burnt.
No, it's a sparkle, it's a motor straight, you know where you see that?
Yeah.
Actually went actually straight into it.
Went straight into the thing, but...
Wow, that was simple.
Okay. Try to hold it more position if we can. Like that. Oh God, what is with this welder? God! Oh. Okay, I'm just going outside. That isn't a proper weld. Oh, there's one more. Oh, God, oh, elbow. God's sake, that's it. Yeah, let's get down there. Now Christopher's turn to do it after we all got burned. Okay, the thing can get burned. Let's just laugh at him. Okay?
It's my turn.
Let's do it. Alright, yeah. Don't say any fault over me, I've had enough of it.
Okay.
Well, that's for you then, isn't it?
Yeah.
You don't know me.
No. Okay, did it. Oh.
What are you doing?
I looked up for, right.
Oh, I looked up. You're not supposed to do that.
I know, but...
You can't help it. Yeah, I don't know.
Hold on. Okay. Alright for now.
Once again, he gets it perfect, don't you?
What are we doing?
Hello, Scott. How's your welding going? How's your welding going? Scott, how's your welding going? You muppet.
Fine, by the way, how are you?
Did you spray the best? Pour the camera a second.
Yes, mother.
You've got the screen. I'll just tell this is on. Put your finger down as well. Hey, shut up. Don't make this.
Doing what he says. This is John.
This is Kevin.
That's Kevin. That's Chris. That's Nicholas.
obviously there's going to be certain stuff that can get in your eyes, like sparks.
And that's just the machine that turns this one on. What are they then?
Lockers.
Duh.
Follow me.
And what's that?
That's Christopher. I think.
Device.
In here.
That's something you do the whole hammering gimmick with. That's something you do the whole bending gimmick with.
I've got just guys.
Oops.
I haven't got my mask today, so. Hi. There we are.
Are you going to hold this?
It's hard digging. Come on.
Two gay boys.
Oh, nice just welding there. You know we're using neighbours. That's free. Scott works on his own. There's someone
Scott works on his own so they can do better work, so they can do more. That's called a welder. It's called the tongue.
I'll take it.
Will you back her off?
Back it out. Back it out. Back it out. Back it out.
Back her off.
Go on. Oh, come on. You take the lead. Take the lead. Take the lead. Go on.
Where we go?
I don't know. That bends vessel. That's being cleaned up afterwards. That's another got thing. Just pan and brushes. That's a special cutting machine. Over here some spare gas cylinders. And I'm currently looking for spare scrap. And currently there isn't any spare scrap, so I'll have to ask John about that. Anyway. Yes, we got to ask John wherever it is. There it is.
Still metal around the back of the guillotine?
No.
You want to cut some? Yeah.
Yeah. This. That is another form of welding, though not as bright and dangerous. There we are. She's purified the option. Sorry. 5 exit.
That's, I want to say something. I haven't looked at for nothing.
Well, not yet
I
anyway.
might do, but...
Store the scrap here. The storage part. That's where all the gases go, the unwanted gas.
And helmets and...
Yep. The gloves are in this plastic box there. And here's the types of welds. The bottom ones are the correct welds, the top ones are all the welds that are just not right. End of story. Instructions there. How to do welding.
Oh no! They're always go big, don't they? Yeah.
Office with his own computer. And now we're going to get back to our welding now.
Oh, we need scrap.
Yes, we need scrap. We're going to search for that. I hope you enjoyed the documentary show. Not properly accurate. Oh, one more thing. That there, where the oxygen, where the particles go, right up in the new dimension. So I hope you enjoyed the program. See, prophecy. temperature my weld. Just before the break, before you have to go back to take RCT exam.
Take two.
Take. Oh yeah, because the failures is all the flipping sparks. Stop laughing, Chris. I know you're laughing. You're on the maths. Okay. Hold on. Again.
You got me twice.
I got it twice. Sorry. Oh, feel the heat. Your own central heating. Oh, sorry, sir. That isn't the best weld I can do, but for some reason that silly thing is messing up.
Not for me though.
Look through that thing. That is the vision you get. Can you see me?
No. No, you can't.
You can see me there. Here's that. So that is model one, okay? Alright, to the next stage. Right, now we're going to show what the welding light looks like from several angles. This is one of them, okay? You ready, Christopher?
Yeah.
In your own time.
Yeah, alright. Okay. Oh yeah.
See how bright that was then? And again. What do you do, Christopher? You burn yourself.
Yeah.
See folks, that's the danger of doing welding, you get burned sometimes.
But there's a hole.
There's a hole. Hold on. I'm just going to show people, don't start, Christopher. That's what he's produced, but accidentally he's burned a hole, the silly person.
Yeah.
Alright.
Help it.
No, you can't help it, no, but yep. Okay. Whenever you're ready, Christopher?
Yeah.
Currently going towards it. See where going with the water first. Oh, you can see how late that is. Okay. You want to say that I was good there? Yeah. Stop looking right then. And that's Scott Welding, after I taught him. I did, I told him. I taught him, rather.
Hang on, I've got something you might want. The Mexican man!
Oh, why the hell did you tell that from Scott?
Because he plays the guitar!
Because he plays the guitar.
He does that! Confession! Shut up, you.
Again. Fuck yeah. You done yet, Scott?
Yeah, like.
Fuck yeah. I do have battery power on here, Scott.
Done. Chris.
Well done.
Give it a goddamn 15 minutes.